humans, Siren here, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics collab. What? I'm so excited to finally see what's inside this box for myself in person. I ordered this on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website the day it launched on November 1st. I sat on that website and refreshed and refreshed and refreshed and refreshed for hours until finally I got to checkout. I did not get the entire collection. Obviously, this box is not the biggest, but I got the mini controversy palette. I got the lip glosses in shade Shane and Ryland. I got the lip balm, and I got a mystery item we'll have to unbox to find out. Really inspiring to see that someone that literally had no idea what they were doing with makeup can turn around and launch an entire line and be as successful as Shane. And Shane, you deserve every single piece of this success. Don't doubt yourself. You're an incredible human being. And you give me the inspiration to keep going because you're so upfront and honest about the struggles that you deal with on your self-image, and it's something that so many people can relate to. Thank you, Jeffree, for taking him under your wing and showing him what he's worth, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with in the future. So let's dig in. Now, as someone who has never spent this much on makeup, I have been patiently awaiting for the package to come in. I'm gonna cry, guys. It just means a lot to me as someone that has suffered with mental illness myself. It means so much to me when someone that's so transparent and honest about the struggles that they go through, that they can be appreciated for that. It's so inspirational, and I'm sorry guys, I'm getting super emotional right now and I haven't even opened it yet. Oh God. I'll let you know what I think in my honest opinion as someone who's never spent this much on makeup. So right when you open it, you have the Jeffree Star tissue paper. I've never had anything Jeffree Star. I mean, I have a grinder that is Jeffree Star that I got as a gift from a friend. Thanks, Taylor. You're the best. Oh my God, I see the first product. Oh God, and it's Shane's shade. Oh my God, it's Shane's shade, guys. Oh, and his logo, guys. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Long-lasting, extreme beauty, matte finish, cruelty-free, and vegan. Instructions. Shake for 5 seconds, apply to bare lips, and let dry for 60 seconds. Smile. Ready for your close-up? Guys, I'm like seriously having an anxiety attack right now. I'm so excited. Oh, here's the other shade I got. This is shade, oh no, this is the lip, it's the lip balm. It's the Shane Dawson lip balm. It's Diet Shane. For lips more damaged than our childhoods, infused with shea butter and vitamin E, a diet root beer sip for your lips. I'm so excited for this product specifically because A, they really didn't allude to it in the series until they just dropped it and was like, hey, guess what? We're making a lip balm too. I'm obsessed with chapstick. I'm obsessed with lip balm, so I'm really excited to try that out. And oh guys, it's the mini controversy. It's Ryland! Guys, it's Ryland! I had to get Shane and Ryland. Like, it was so hard. I had the bundle in my wish list. They put me through to the splash page where they said you were waiting in line. I was so excited. I was on that page for like an hour, and then it showed that it had already been sold out. And as I said, I'm a cheap girl. I don't have a lot of money to spend. The bundle was really the only way I could afford to get everything, and it was already sold out, which was really, oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh! Oh, and it's the palette that I couldn't get because it was already sold out. But when they restock it in March, which AKA is my birthday, I'm gonna get the conspiracy and I'm gonna reorder the mini controversy because who doesn't want that emerald shade? Like, come on, we all freaked out about it, so I need to get it. It's gonna be the first thing I open up, it has to be. Oh my God, it's so cute! Look at how big it is. I'm gonna cry. It's literally as big as my face. Look at that. Oh my god. And it's like really good quality of a mirror too. And it's perfect in my hand. It's got the Jeffree star logo on the front and then the Shane Dawson one on the back. This is the cutest thing in the world and I'm gonna bring it with me everywhere. I don't feel bad spending the money that I did on this now because it's all so beautiful. Like the quality in the packaging is just insane. Okay, well now that we have the pig mirror and we are ready to go, let's dig into the next product. So this is Diet Shane. This is the lip balm. I have a feeling that I'm going to be carrying this in my purse with me every day because I'm obsessed. I already have like 4 different kinds of chapsticks and lip balms that I keep in my purse. Guys, the aesthetic of this lip balm is just insane. Oh my god, it smells like root beer. His name is on it, guys. Oh my god, it even tastes like root beer. That's crazy. It's very light. It feels really moisturizing. The scent is there, mama. That's a win for me, for sure. So the pig mirror, by itself, alone, this was $30, which, like I said, I'm a cheap girl. I'd go to the dollar store and spend $1 on a mirror and just call it quits. Cute. Like, I can't wait to show it off to my friends. Diet Shane lip balm was $18, which I'm pretty sure all of the lipsticks and all that are $18 each. Yeah. I'm really excited to see how these look in person because on camera they look stunning. Oh my gosh, that color is so pretty. Oh my god, they smell like root beer too. This is so crazy. Oh my god, talk about pigment. Holy shit. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, this color is freaking gorgeous. Like, I'm so glad he named it Ryland because this is everything Ryland is. This is fabulous, like gorgeous, the house. But I mean, this is one layer and it looks perfect. Like if I added another layer, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's go full glam, honey. Yes, $18 well spent. I will get more than my money's worth out of this. Now on to Shane. Ooh. It almost looks like a gunmetal color. It looks like it matches the packaging really well. This was the first thing they ever had done in the series. Oh god, okay. It smells like root beer too. Okay. Oh, I only have one lip done and I'm already in love. It's almost like an alien brown, if that makes sense. It's like a brown, but it's got like greenish gray flexes in it. I don't even know how you would explain it, but god, it's pretty. Ryland is like, I'm going on a brunch, I'm going to look fabulous, I'm going out for a night on the town. This is, I've got a business executive meeting, and I mean business. But I'm living for it. I love this. I actually like this better than Ryland, and I thought it was going to be the other way around. So, you go, Shane. So proud of you. Again, $18, well spent. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this one. Now, the thing we've all been waiting for. It's wrapped so nicely that I'm afraid to open it. Look how fabulous it is! Oh my gosh, like the packaging is just so well done. Oh my god, it's so beautifully wrapped. Whoever did this did a great job. Oh my god, pink bubble wrap. Here it is. So the palette itself was $28, so it actually was cheaper than the mirror. Okay, I'm gonna open it, guys. I'm gonna open it. Oh my god! Look at how big it is. Like, look at how big it is. That's compared to my face. Like, it's almost as big as my face. I did not expect the pans to be that big. I thought they were gonna be so much smaller. They're huge. Those are huge. I'm gonna be using this until I die. I'm so excited. They're so much more beautiful in person. I don't even want to touch them. They're so pretty. It's got the like feeling of static. It's crazy. And then the palette itself, oh my god, look at the rainbow collection. And then you open this bad boy up. It's hard to do one-handed, but oh. Okay, so let's dip into my boyfriend's purse. It's very pigmented, which is very nice. So I think what I'm going to dip into next, I kind of want to see how exposed it looks. Really light pink. Comes out looking a little more purple than I would expect, but it is a very pretty shade. That shade has a weird smell to it, I'm not gonna lie. It almost smells like the glaze that you would use for painting pottery that you would put in the kiln. Not all the shades smell like that, but I don't know, maybe it's just something in that formula. But let's go into another shade. Dip into a little bit of Diet Root Beer. I just want to see, oh wow, okay, your girl is way more pigmented than I was thinking it would be, so let's just kind of blend that right on in there. Girl, you can do whatever you set your mind to. So now, because of that attitude, I'm going to dip into a little bit of this controversy, and then I'm going to end at my apology. And then, like I thought, very pigmented. Wow, you don't need much of this at all, which means this is going to last for quite a while. And what's great about this palette, I know a lot of people, a lot of girls, especially like in my age group, they don't necessarily like using bold, crazy colors. Girl, that's all I use. I like these colors blend so well, which is really nice. So now I think I'm gonna dip into my apology, which is this like shimmery metallic red. I'm gonna try and put that in the corners down here, and then I'm gonna blend into some blue underneath the eye because your girl wants to be extra. Why not? Let's do it. So actually my sister pitched an idea. She wants, because I was telling her how I think in my next video I'm going to try and do a full face of makeup using just this palette. Like use my contour, my highlighter, my blush, my lipstick, everything, my eyeliner, my lip liner. I think I'm going to use everything in this palette to make that look. If you guys would like to see that video, let me know in the comments below, because if you guys think it's a cool enough idea, maybe I'll do it. Telling my sister that idea, and she said that she thought it would be cool because there's actually quite a few like red tones and quite a few blue tones. She was saying maybe we should do a Fire and Ice look for our Fire and Ice channel. And I was like, that is a great idea. So if you guys haven't seen our Fire and Ice channel, it's me and my sister's band channel. We actually do music together. So put that in the description below. But let's go ahead and blend the rest of this out. This is looking so pretty already. I'm gonna start with Canceled. Let's get some last thoughts on the palette before we finish the video. When I want to go fabulous and crazy, I have all these really pretty like mermaid tones that I can play around with. And then when I want to wear something like, say, to work, and I want to be a little bit more professional, and I can use more of the nude coloring. If I had to rate everything, I'd probably give everything a 10. I'm not gonna lie. This packaging is beautiful. I'm so glad this is the first ever palette I've ever bought from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Definitely the most I've ever spent on makeup, but it was all worth it. I don't even know what to say. Like, thank you guys so much for watching this video, for experiencing this unboxing with me. Definitely going to be using this lipstick a lot. Going to be using all of the products a lot. I'm going to have to definitely restock in March. So like I said, thank you guys so much for staying tuned to my videos. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, tap that bell to get notifications of every new video that I put out. I'm going to be trying to get back into the schedule of putting out a video a week. Let me know also in the comments below what kind of videos you would like to see. I'm obviously diving more into this makeup world with reviews and tutorials. What kind of looks would you like to see me do? What kind of products would you like to see me review? Or if you guys are enjoying my dance videos and singing covers, what songs would you like to see me do next? Again, thank you guys so much for your love and support. You all are amazing. I love you all so much. Bye! See you in the next video. Okay, time to go geek out to my mom about how cool this stuff is.